Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today is my day of day and I'm going to do a frame, DIY frame for my oil pastel drawing or art. I'll show you. Well, here. I'm going to show you my art. Sorry. It's a little bit sensitive because it's not getting dry. Ta-da! So oil never dry. I'm supposed to do a frame. Look, I made that a day, 2 days ago already, and it's still wet. And it's my first time to draw. Well, to do art by this kind of color thing, and it works. Yeah, the result been nice. I did not expect that because I never draw, never do art. My first time. Okay, and I have more, and I'm trying my best. Here, I have one here, but not look nice for me because I messed up. And I have more. This is look for grade school. This is look for grade school. And then I have one more. It's oil too. And doesn't dry at all. This was kind of in the middle. Nice. But the other one was, for me, it's perfect, but except those alien. Okay, so I'm going to make a frame that doesn't break my art. I don't want to buy, it's so expensive. I can't afford. So I'm going to make my own frame. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'll try. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm done. Ta-da! Oh, sorry. I need a plastic for the top. This is my oil pastel art, and there's an alien in it. A cute alien. A cute aliens. This is my very first art in my 35 years of existence. Not bad, except with those aliens. But this look not safe because I couldn't push it to stick it there. I need it to be sticky, but I don't know how. I couldn't touch it. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Senorita's vlog.